Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your content has been removed issue from Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So you open your Instagram application and when you try to open one of your posts, it reads that your content has been removed from Instagram. Now this may be because you have violated the Instagram community guidelines. If a post has violated Instagram community guidelines, the post will be reviewed and then removed from Instagram. So if you want to get back your post, what you're going to do first is make sure that you screenshot that error message that reads your content has been removed from Instagram. After that, when you open Instagram, go ahead and visit your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've done that, you'll land on your profile and then on the top right corner you'll be able to see the three-barred menu. Tap on it, visit settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you'll be able to scroll down and see the help section. Tap on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and post an appeal to Instagram so that they will review our content and remove the ban that they have done upon our content. So once you've done that, go ahead and tap on report a problem. You'll see an interface like this. Tap on report a problem again. Tap on include and continue. Now there will be a default image that will already be uploaded. So since this image does not relate to your topic, go ahead and tap on the cross icon that you see on top of this image. Once you've done that, tap on the upload section. This will redirect you to the gallery and go ahead and select the image that you've just taken. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and explain or type out how you have not violated any type of community guidelines with this post and it must have been a mistake. So you want to request Instagram to review your content and help you get back this content that you posted on Instagram. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the send button that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. And I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.